Hi there, Gareth here, coming to you live from Berlin for the DocuWorld 2025 conference. This week, we as AyAI released our Docu Enhancement AI-based platform, and this is the first in a series of videos showcasing some beautiful business cases for the application of this. Now, this one's an expense claim. Obviously, the form itself is fully configurable, and what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to upload my expense claims, hit the submit button. You can see they are quite chunky. It'll take a couple of moments. So while that happens, let's chat about how this is different. So in a typical expense claim environment, the user needs to input every line, kind of where they purchased it from, the amount, the reason, the date, etc. All of that, kind of tally it up. We've simplified that whole process. As you can see, this is the full extent of what the user needs to do. Automatically, we're routing you through to our enhancement suite. Sign up there, 7-day free trial. And let's take a look at what these look like. So this is the form that we've just submitted. You can see there's a couple of pictures here. This is for some drinks I had in the UAE. Then we've got a couple of airport parking tickets. And then finally an Uber receipt for a trip that I did to the airport. Now, when we take a look at this has been stripped by AI, pulling all of this information from each of those slips automatically for us, tallying it up, giving us obviously who the supplier was, assuming the claim type. I've left this very open to AI's interpretation. Obviously, if you wanted to in your prompt, you could make that considerably more restrictive. It's got the amount, it's got the currency, and it's also got the date. So all of this has happened automatically without the user needing to do anything. And then, as always, this can go through an approval workflow, line manager, etc., etc. But the enhancement that we're bringing to the table through this platform that we're chatting about is harnessing AI to do all of the heavy lifting and taking that load away from the users. Now, I'm also going to step further, and what we've got over here is an automated email that goes through to the user, the person that submitted the claim, with a little bit of a tabular breakdown of the expense claims, what's been calculated, etc., etc. So that's an automated notification to them so that they are aware that this has been processed successfully. Now, this is a public URL over here. So we're going to provide this link in the comments of the video. So please use it. I am running an auto delete, so we're not going to store your documents. That'll be deleted every half an hour. So you can see that it's been stripped, and the data's been stripped, and you will then be provided that email that I showed you sent to the address that is inputted here. If there's any questions or any other use cases that you'd like to see this application used for, please reach out to us in the comments.